Is Xiaomi's new smart lock just another overhyped gadget, or is it actually worth your money? Let's cut through the noise and set it up together, step by step. Spoiler alert, it's not a scam. First up, the Xiaomi self-install smart lock is the real deal. It's certified with legit security standards, thanks to that MJA1 chip and official EU cybersecurity approval. You get multiple unlocking methods: fingerprint, passwords, permanent, temporary, or one-time, Bluetooth through your phone, and of course a classic key for emergencies. If someone messes with your lock or keeps failing passwords, you'll get real-time alerts on your phone through the My Home app. Let's get to the installation. And trust me, you don't need to be a handyman for this. First, grab a screwdriver, remove your old lock, and check if your door uses a standard European cylinder. If it's Swiss or ASA 2000, sorry, you're out of luck. Now, slide in the Xiaomi deadbolt and secure it. Mount the panels, outside, then inside, making sure everything lines up so your knob turns smoothly. Next, use the cardboard template to set the magnetic door sensor on your frame. This is what enables auto lock and notifications if you forget to shut the door. Pop in the battery pack, download Xiaomi Home, scan the QR code, and the app will guide you the rest of the way. If you have a keypad, hold the lock button for 7 seconds to pair. Don't forget, always keep the emergency key somewhere safe but not inside your house. The lock itself isn't waterproof, so don't install it where it gets soaked, but your keypad can handle rain. So, is it a scam? Not at all. Xiaomi's self-install smart lock makes your home smarter, not your wallet lighter. If you hit a snag, the app and FAQs have your back. Thanks for watching. Want more smart home tips? Hit subscribe and stay